Today we will start a new lecture, lecture number 4, determinants we will start. Again, this is really very important topic for exam point of view, and definitely a question of 4 or 6 marks will definitely come from this exercise. So here is a matrix of 2 by 2. For example, these are the elements. Now we have to find out the determinant of matrix A. So it will be written like this, right, in this form, and we have to find out the determinant of matrix A, right? In our syllabus we are having determinant of matrix 2 by 2 and 3 by 3, not more than that. 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. In exams 99.9% 3 by 3 matrix will come, right? So how we will find out the determinant of matrix this? Now you have to multiply 3 with 6 and with negative sign 5 with 4, right? For example, 3 multiply with 6 minus 5 into 4. 3 6 18 minus 20 minus 2. That is the answer. But when you will do the sums, स्टूडेंट्स की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि वो यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं गलती करते हैं कैलकुलेशन में. अगर कैलकुलेशन में गलती हुई तो आपका पूरा का पूरा सम गलत हो जाएगा. तो कैलकुलेशन बहुत ध्यान से करें, राइट? एक और हम निकाल के देखते हैं वैल्यू. फॉर एग्जांपल मैट्रिक्स ए इज 5 minus 7 4 and 2. We have to find out the determinant of this. What you will do? Multiply 5 with 2 with negative sign. 4 multiply with minus 7, right? 5 to the 10, minus minus is plus, 7 4 the 28, 38 is your answer, right? Now of 3 by 3. For example, matrix A is 5 6 7 4 2 6 3 5 4. For example, this is the matrix A, right? We have to find out determinant of matrix A. This is of 3 by 3, right? So what we will do? 5 6 7 4 2 6 3 5 4. Now what you will do? 5, right? And cut this column and this row. You will left with 2 4 and 5 6. You can write in this way: 2 6 5 4. For example, you have taken 5, so 5 will be out. Then its column, this and this row, this will be cancelled out, and you have to find out the value from these 4 terms: 2 6 5 4. What you will do? 2 multiply with 4, 8 minus 30, 8 minus 30, right? Now student, there is a catch. Here the element is A11, here the element is A12, here the element is A13, right? Its sum is 1 plus 1 is 2, so it will be always positive, right? Now 1 2 sum is odd, so you will put negative sign here. For example, it is minus 6, you will do plus 6. Due to this odd, you have to put the negative sign, right? Now what you will do? This column and this row, what you will left? 4 6 3 4, 4 6 3 4. Then again to multiply, 4 4 just 16 minus 18, 16 minus 18 plus 7, because 1 3 is even, so plus sign. What you will do? This column and this row. What you will left with? 4 2 3 5, 4 2 3 5, 20 minus 6. Got it? Now calculate. You will get your answer. One more example we can do. Let A is 3, 4, 5. For example, minus 4, 2, 5, 7, 4, 6, 2. Now we have to find out the determinant of matrix this. 3 minus 4, 5, 2, 5, 7, 4, 6, 2. Now we have to find out the determinant, right? Here the element is A11, here the element is A12, here the element is A13, right? So write 3. This column and this row you will not use, the element will be 5, 7, 6, 2. 5, 7, 6, 2. Now what we will do? 5 multiplied with 10 minus 42, right? Now here the sum is odd, 1, 2. What you will do? Negative sign. But here is already minus 4. Got it? So this cancel, what you will left with? 2, 7, 4, 2. 2, 7, 4. And minus is always plus. So here will 4 will come. Right? So the 2 to the 4 minus 28 plus 5. For example, it is minus 5. Then it will be minus 5. Because the sum is even, plus minus is minus. So this column will cancel and this row will cancel. What you will get? 2, 5, 4, 6. 2, 5, 4, 6. 12 minus 20. Just do the calculation, you will get your answer, right? Now, for example, we have to cover this sum. If A is 1, 2, 4, 2, show that determinant of 2A is 4 times. This is really very important, right? Now what we will do? They are saying determinant of matrix A we have to find out and we have to multiply with 2. First of all, we have to find out determinant of matrix A, right? Which is 1, 2, 4, 2. What we will do? Determinant of matrix A is 2 minus 8 is minus 6, right? So another we have to do, we have to find out determinant of 2A because 2 is written inside this. So what we will do? First of all, we will do the 2A, right? Multiply it. 2A is 2, 4, 8, 4, right? We will do the find out the determinant of 2A. What we will get? We will get 8 minus 32, that is minus 24, right? That is equal to, we have to show that 2A is equal to 4 times. Now determinant of matrix is minus 6. What we will do? 4 into minus 6 is minus 24. Here minus 24. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is of 2 marks question. Thank you students.